ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी, गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी, जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरा वनचारी, यमुना तीरा वनचारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी, गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन, यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरा वनचारी, यमुना तीरा वनचारी, जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य, नारायणं नमस्कृत्य, नरं चैव नरोत्तमं, नरं चैव नरोत्तमं, देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं, देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं, ततो जयमुदीरयेत्, ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु, नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु, नित्यं भागवत सेवया, नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके, भगवती उत्तम श्लोके, भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी, भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 11, text number 4 and 5. तत्रोपनीत बलयो, तत्रोपनीत बलयो, रवेर्दीपम इवाद्रताः, रवेरदीपम इवाद्रताः। आत्मारामं पूर्णकामं, आत्मारामं पूर्णकामं, निजलाभेन नित्यदा, निजलाभेन नित्यदा। प्रत्युत्फुल्लमुखः प्रोचुर्, प्रत्युत्फुल्लमुखः प्रोचुर्, हर्षगदगदया गिरा, हर्षगदगदया गिरा। पितरं सर्वसुहृदं, पितरं सर्वसुहृदं, Avitaram Ivarbhaka. Avitaram Ivarbhaka. Tatra, thereupon. Upanita, having offered. Balayah, presentation. Rave, up to the sun. Deepam, lamp. Eva, like. Adrata, being evaluated. Atma Aramam, unto the self-sufficient. Purna Kamam, fully satisfied. Nijalabhena, by his own potencies. Nityada, one who supplies incessantly. Priti, affection. Utpulla Mukha, cheerful faces. Rochuhu, said. Harsha, gladdened. Gadagadaya, ecstatic. Gira, speeches. Pitaram, unto the Father. Sarva, all. Suhridam, friends. Avitaram, guardian. Eva, like. Arbhaka, what? Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The citizens arrived before the Lord with their respective presentations, offering them to the fully satisfied and self-sufficient one, who, by his own potency, incessantly supplies others. These presentations were like the offering of a lamp to the sun. Yet, the citizens began to speak in ecstatic language to receive the Lord, just as wards welcome their guardian and father. Please repeat. The citizens arrived before the Lord with their respective presentations, offering them to the fully satisfied and self-sufficient one, who, by his own potency, incessantly supplies others. These presentations were like the offering of a lamp to the sun. Yet the citizens began to speak in ecstatic language to receive the Lord, just as wards welcome their guardian and father. Purport. The Supreme Lord Krishna is described herein as Atmaram. He is self-sufficient, and there is no need for him to seek happiness from anything beyond himself. He is self-sufficient because his very transcendental existence is total bliss. He is eternally existent, he is all cognizant and all blissful. Therefore, any presentation, however valuable it may be, is not needed by him. But still, because he is the well-wisher for one and all, he accepts from everyone everything that is offered to him in pure devotional service. It is not that he is in want for such things, because the things are themselves generated from his energy. The comparison is made here in that making offerings to the Lord is something like offering a lamp in the worship of sun god. Anything fiery and illuminating is but an emanation of the energy of the sun. And yet, to worship the sun god it is necessary to offer him a lamp. In the worship of the sun, there is some sort of demand made by the worshipper. But in the case of devotional service to the Lord, there is no question of demand from either side. It is all a sign of pure love and affection between the Lord and the devotee. The Lord is the supreme Father of all living beings, and therefore, those who are conscious of this vital relation with God can make filial demands from the Father. And the Father is pleased to supply the demands of such obedient sons without bargaining. The Lord is just like the desire tree, and from Him everyone can have everything by the causeless mercy of the Lord. As the Supreme Father, the Lord, however, does not supply to a pure devotee what is considered to be a barrier to the discharge of devotional service. Those who are engaged in the devotional service of the Lord can rise to the position of unalloyed devotional service by His transcendental attraction. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namaha Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swamin Iti Namine. Namaha Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Desha Tarine. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Satro Panita Balayo Raver Deepam Ivadrita Atma Ramam Purna Kamam Nijalabhena Nityada Priti Utpalla Mukha Prochur Harsha Gadgadaya Gira Pitaram Sarva Suhrdam Vitaram Ivarbaka. The citizens arrived before the Lord with their respective presentations, offering them to the fully satisfied and self-sufficient one, who by his own potency incessantly supplies others. These presentations were like the offering of a lamp to the sun, where the citizens began to speak in ecstatic language to receive the Lord, just as wards welcome their guardian and father. So here is another wonderful instruction from the Acharya. He is describing and instructing simultaneously. So when Krishna blew his conch shell, Panchajanya, we saw in the previous three shlokas, that everybody ran. When they heard itself, they became very, very happy. And in ecstasy, they all ran to receive him. And as they ran, they also carried with them some gifts, some presents for the Lord. So that's the system. When you receive somebody, generally the person who comes from somewhere, he brings gifts. And when you receive him, you give him gifts. That's a nice exchange of pleasantries. Apart from saying some pleasant words, it's always good to carry something. Then even in anywhere, European countries, American, North America, everywhere, people do that. So here, The receiver is the Supreme Lord. That makes it a difference, because it's expressed many places. Here again in this shloka, Krishna is called as Atmaram. Atma Aram. Aram means perfect rest, satisfied. When you take Aram, either when you are very tired or when you are just want to relax, peaceful. So Krishna doesn't need anything. We have been saying this again and again. What can we give him anyway? He's the owner of everything anyway. So our giving to him anything is just a joke. Like here, the Sutta Goswami gives the example of offering a lamp to the sun god, Surya Dev. You're just offering a lamp. He's already a solid lamp. He doesn't need any light, but we offer it, and he accepts it because he is following in the footsteps of Krishna. Krishna doesn't need anything, but he accepts everything. Suppose we eat some, let's say 5, 6, 7 rasagullas or gulab jamun, then some 8th one comes, you say no. Law of diminishing return, they say in economics. But the Lord, so many people are feeding every day. Millions of people are feeding him. And he's accepting. He keeps on eating. He doesn't need anything, but he keeps on eating. That's like in Jagannath Puri, he eats something like 2 tons of rice every day. One after other, the offerings come. And he just keeps eating. So the main reason behind that is that he wants to satisfy the devotee, because the giver always gets satisfied when somebody accepts, right? When you buy a gift and you give to somebody, and that somebody says, "Thank you so much, it's so nice, such pretty, such beautiful, oh, such a nice gesture," and then you feel good. Another example can be given is of the person standing in the river for taking bath, then he takes water in his hands and he just puts it back in the river. And then says also that, this is my offering to you.